Hi everyone and welcome back to Tech. In today's video we're going to be building a security system out of an ultrasonic sensor and an Arduino. This really is a fun project, so without further ado, let's get started. For this project we'll need the following components. At the heart of this project is an Arduino Uno. We'll also need some breadboard wires and a breadboard. Some resistors, LEDs, and a buzzer are needed as well. The sensor we'll be using to detect an intruder is an ultrasonic sensor. These detect the proximity of objects by sending out a sound higher than the human hearing and timing how long the sound takes to bounce back. Everything can now be wired up using this diagram as an example. We can now upload its code, a link to which is in the description. The project is now complete. It's time to try it out. Sure enough, when I place my hand in front of it, it beeps. However, the beeping isn't all that loud. To remedy this, we can replace the buzzer with a speaker. The speaker's leads can now go where the buzzer was. And then we can remove the resistor, bridging the connection directly instead. The beep is now much louder. Some cool distance feedback through the serial monitor is also possible. Now let's put it to the test and see if it can guard some cookies. It'll work decent. However, it's not 100% foolproof. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed making your very own ultrasonic security system. If you did, be sure to leave a like, and for more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Other than that, I'm Eric, you've been watching Tech, and I'll see you in the next video.